Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tim Queen and today I'm going to share with you how you can grow your YouTube channel fast by using free traffic from Facebook. Now this video is specifically for you if you have a small YouTube channel with less than 1,000 subscribers. So if that's the case, keep on watching. Now tip number one is if you want to use Facebook to grow your YouTube channel, you have to use your personal Facebook profile. And there is a lot of ways how you can use your personal Facebook profile to grow your YouTube channel. For example, you can start at the top, put like a nice banner image at the top, include the name of your YouTube channel, mention that you are a YouTuber, maybe even put the channel URL inside or tell people how to find it. Then you can use your profile picture to use an animation where you could switch between your picture and your YouTube channel icon so people remember it. You can just draw attention to it. You might even put a small animation inside which is telling people how to find your YouTube channel. You can put your YouTube channel in the intro section of your Facebook profile so people can immediately click on the link to find your channel and connect with you right there and then. Now the next thing that you want to do on your personal Facebook profile, you want to use a featured image, and that's a great way how you can promote your channel. Create like a small square image that you can put on your channel to get the most amount of screen space. Put your YouTube channel icon in there, put your channel name in there, and then when someone clicks on it, in the description, put the link to your YouTube channel URL so people can immediately click on it and find your YouTube channel right there and then. And the last tip that you can use on your personal Facebook profile, use the feature called Notes. Create a notes document and put in all the links of all of your popular YouTube videos inside. So when someone wants to learn more about you, you can send them directly to this document. And the benefit of using this notes feature is because it's an internal Facebook content type, meaning you won't get punished for sharing external link. So this is a great way how you can share people occasionally, tell them about your YouTube channel, and then send them all your best YouTube videos in one small notes document. Now tip number two is you have to create a Facebook page for your YouTube channel. What you want to do is you want to include all the relevant information. Make sure that you have your channel logo up and ready, that you have a cover image on your channel, that you use the above section to link to your YouTube channel so people can directly click on it and to subscribe. Next, what you want to do, especially if you have a large network of Facebook friends, you want to invite all of them to like and to follow your page. This will precede your audience and makes it much more likely that whenever you're sharing some content on your page, you're getting some initial engagement. Over time, you will notice as your YouTube channel grows, more and more people will also check out your Facebook page and will become fans as well. So this is really great if you're starting out right now, add your fans. And then what you want to do, if you have a premiere on YouTube or have a live stream, create an event on your Facebook page. And then you can invite your Facebook page friends again. This is really great if you want to get a maximum amount of traffic for your YouTube premieres, so you get just the right signals for YouTube to consider your video of high quality and to make it discoverable to other similar people on the YouTube platform. So take advantage, create a page, use events whenever you have an event such a premiere or a live streaming event to promote those specific videos. You can share all of your content on the page as well, but we're going to talk more about content in a minute. So make sure that you have a page. Now tip number three is you have to take advantage of Facebook groups, but not in the way how most people recommend to do that. What is not working are the following two techniques. Number one, don't join any sub for sub groups, so any form of promotion. This is complete crap and will get you nowhere. Even if you get some people to subscribe to your channel, who are those people anyway? They're most likely not interested in your specific content. So all you're getting is people who are subscribing to your channel, and then whenever YouTube is sending them a video, they will not watch it. What does that tell YouTube? That your content isn't relevant to them, so YouTube won't show it to other people. So you want to stay as far away as possible from those sub for sub Facebook groups. The second thing that is not working is to go to different YouTube groups and to promote your videos, to spam them, to just drop your links and then disappear. You will just get banned, your content will not get any reach, and you're not going to get any results. Now here's what you're going to do instead. First, you're going to join some specific YouTube mastermind groups where like-minded individuals who want to grow their channel organically, naturally, who are ambitious, who want to get real results, and you're going to go there to exchange ideas with other like-minded YouTubers. This will often give you a lot of credible information for you to learn how you can improve your YouTube channel, how you can make better videos. You can maybe even form some alliances, maybe find some collaboration ideas with other YouTubers. So this is a great way how you can join a group. What you don't want to do, you don't want to promote your videos in this specific group. What you want to do with your promotional videos, you want to join industry-specific groups or groups that are really relevant to your topic. Then you want to make sure that you're befriending the owners and the admins of this group by being an active member who's sharing really valuable content in that platform. Then at some point, once you have built enough momentum and have built a real relationship with all the different people on the platform, you want to talk to an admin and you want to create the following thing as a pitch. You create a summary of one of your best and most popular YouTube videos as a text snippet. And you want to ask if you can share this in the group and if you can share the link to your full video in the comment section below. Most owners of Facebook group have no problem with that because you're providing value in the form of creating high quality premium content for other group members to enjoy. So the thing is here, the content by itself is already giving a lot of recommendations. So people in the group can enjoy it. It's a native content type. You're getting a ton of impressions because of that. And the people who want to watch the full thing can still click on the link in the comment and then watch the entire video. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. You're using your content description that you should create anyway because you're creating some social media posts later to drive traffic to your YouTube videos within Facebook groups. Now, tip number 4, you want to use the Facebook Messenger to communicate with your friends and family and people in your network and tell them about your YouTube videos. And no, you don't want to spam them every single day. You want to make this an event, maybe once per month, or if you want to be really cautious, once per year. Send each person on your Facebook friend list a personal message. Tell them what has been going on in the last 6 months and the last year. Tell them all the good things, personal stories of your life so they can keep up to date. And then what you can do is you can link to one of your notes, the ones which contains all of your popular videos with the best ones right at the top so people can learn, oh wow, you have filmed 50 new YouTube videos, and then you can find some people checking out some of your videos. And then over time you will notice that more and more people on your friend list will become subscribers to your YouTube channel, especially the ones who really connect with your content. So make sure that you send out a message to each of your friends at least once per year and tell them what's going on in your life and link to your special notes page which contains all of your popular YouTube videos. Now, tip number 5 is you want to use Facebook Messenger bots. And the way you do this is you create a Facebook Messenger bot. You can use a platform such as ManyChat or any other platform. Now, the way you do that is you're linking your Facebook Messenger bot to your YouTube Facebook page. Then you will have a little chat icon down below. When someone is clicking on it, the bot should offer them to subscribe to your channel for video updates. Now, whenever you upload a new video, you will schedule this on your Facebook Messenger bot. So every person who is subscribed to your Facebook Messenger bot will get a notification that a new video is out, together with the link so they can click right on it and watch the video on YouTube. That's another way how you can drive traffic to your YouTube channel. You want to think about this as creating as many different assets on the Facebook platform as possible to drive as much traffic as possible, because not everyone is using all of the features at the same time. So Messenger bots are a great way how to drive quality traffic to your YouTube channel. Now, tip number 6, you have to create Facebook posts to promote your content. You can share those posts both on your personal profile, in groups, on pages, in different forms and shapes. But what you have to keep in mind that certain content types are better than others. Facebook doesn't like external links. So if you're just putting in the link to one of your YouTube videos, you will get the least number of clicks from people. What you have to do instead, you want to use the native content types on Facebook. That means text posts, photo posts, and video posts. Now what you want to do is this best recommendation. I already talked about this in the groups feature. You want to write a summary of your YouTube video. You want to tell exactly what this video is about, what people will learn from it. Tell them a couple of benefits, a couple of things you're going to talk about, and even explain it like in a very short and summarized version. And then you want to tell people, if they want to watch the full video with even more details and more tips, that they should check out the first comment where you put the link to the full video. This way, there's no external link in your post. It's a native Facebook content type, and the people who are intrigued by your summary will find a way to watch the full video. Now, tip number 7, you want to use Facebook stories to promote your YouTube videos. There's 2 ways how you can do this. You can create a beautiful story and just post this as a story on Facebook, or you can share one of your posts that you just created to promote your video and reshare your post in the story. Maybe add a couple of additional features, maybe add a couple of texts if you want to target specific people, and you will find a lot of people will be reminded that your YouTube channel exists and will check out your channel if the topic is just resonating with them. Make sure that you have at least your title inside your story so people can quickly identify if this video is for them, yes or no. Now, tip number 8 is you can consider to use boosted posts or paid ads on Facebook. Paid ads can be incredibly powerful if you know how to design your ads and how to target specific people who would be a perfect fit for your YouTube subscriber base. So what you can do is you can share an external link on your YouTube page and then click the boost button. Refine the targeting options. You really only show this to people who would really want to watch this piece of content. Now, if you set your targeting right and you set the right click limits, you can easily grow your YouTube channel with like $1 to $5 per day. If you don't have the budget, this might not be the right choice for you, but the people who want to accelerate their YouTube channel growth really fast with really relevant people, using Facebook ads and boosted posts is a great way how to grow your channel really, really fast. So think about using it. Now, tip number 9 is you want to record native trailers for your YouTube channel. The way you can do this is to record a short 30 to 60 seconds clip that you can then post as a native video content type on Facebook. Just tell the people what the summary of your content is going to be about and why they should check out this video and how they can find this. And this is a really great way how you can drive a lot of traffic. And the best way is you can use this content type on other platforms as well. You can use the same short 30 to 60 second clip on Instagram, on Twitter, on LinkedIn to promote your videos. So you're doing it once and then you have content for all the different platforms. Now, tip number 10 is you want to turn your best YouTube videos into evergreen content buckets and re-promote them on all of your social media channels again and again. Because here's the thing, when someone discovers one of your videos, they usually watch like 1 or 2 or 3, but they didn't watch the other 97 videos you've recorded over the last couple of years. So make sure that you use an app. For example, I use personally SocialBee, and I put the link in the pinned comment down below to repurpose all of my past videos. So whenever I'm not publishing any content, they will still see something in my newsfeed promoting one of my older videos. So they have another opportunity to discover this content. And the way SocialBee is doing that is they're sharing a random video, then they're putting it at the back of the queue. So they're not going to see the same video again until the next couple of months. So there's always be some new content. And a lot of people will rediscover some of your older videos, and you're driving a lot of traffic to some of your older videos, which is then helping your entire channel to grow really quickly. In conclusion, use your personal Facebook profile, create a Facebook page, use Facebook groups, use Facebook Messenger, use Messenger bots, use posts and stories, create boosted posts, create native video trailer on Facebook, and then create evergreen content buckets with SocialBee. And you will see that you are able to drive a ton of organic traffic or paid traffic if you're using boosted posts to your YouTube channel. You're going to see how you can quickly grow your channel with really relevant people fast. Now, if you want to learn more about how to grow your YouTube channel, especially if you are a new YouTuber, also check out those 2 videos over here, how you can grow your channel, free traffic from Twitter and from LinkedIn. You will also love my next video where I talk about how to grow your YouTube channel, free traffic from Instagram. So make sure that you click the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to get an email update once this video is live. If you have any questions about growing your YouTube channel, please leave me your questions down in the comments below. And if you want to work one-to-one with me on your YouTube channel strategy, check out the link in the description for my one-to-one VIP coaching packages. Also, give this video a like and check out those videos over here and over here to learn more about growing your YouTube channel. And if you want to get first-hand access on all of my future videos, have the opportunity to ask me questions before I record my new videos so you getting your question answered, and you want to vote on new content ideas, check out my Patreon page down below. It's also in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.